we will be demonstrating how to install a pit mount antenna for a residential water meter. Begin by sliding the upper antenna through the port of the meter pit's lid and tighten the plastic nut to secure it to the lid. For the sake of this video, we are using cardboard in place of a meter pit lid. Then you can connect the antenna by screwing the pieces together by hand. Now you can screw together the waterproof plastic housing to protect the connection point. The antenna has now been connected properly and is ready for transmission.